What do you mean they're all in bed?
They're all in bed. Well, once it cools down, nice, they're done. But in the morning, they're like. This one is black raspberry. That's higher in indica.
Wait,
and then those are
that?
Marion berries.
What is that?
That's an artichoke plant that was about 3 inches high when we planted it. Horseradish. That just grows wild around here. Well, at least in our yard. We finally figured out
big thing?
Yeah, we finally figured out what it was last year and decided we'd put some water on
That's
it.
horseradish? Like what you put on your steak?
Yeah, you can smell it. Yeah. And so there were kids here, you know, like young 20-year-old dudes, like with long hair, and I'm like, any of you guys like rats?
What?
And
You just walked up to a bunch of 20-year-olds and were like,
no, I was sitting
like
in the
rats?
swing and they were out here working, and I go, do any of you like have rats? Do you like rats? And the cutest little kid, his name was Josh. I have a friend, she collects rats. And I'm like, you're my new hero. Talk to me. He goes, yeah, she loves all animals. She's like, loves rats. I go, call her and ask her if she'd like to have Oliver and Nugget. They're the coolest rats. When I went out there to help him, because I gave him the cage, the food, the toys, the rat backpack. I opened his little car. The smell of pot just wafted right out. I'm like, whoo! Boy, no wonder you have that smile on your face all the time. They're doing great. Just they aren't laying eggs up on that second one yet.
And they are in trouble there. This is an urgent thing to deliver. That's when he doesn't take her call.